N270UD on the CR8 to Blandford. So this morning I'm on the Jurassic Breezer 30 to Weymouth King Statue via Preston. Next stop, Overcombe Corner. Next, Overcombe Corner. Then Weymouth Sea Life Centre, Malcolm Avenue, Lennox Street, and then Weymouth King Statue. Yeah.
What number is the bus stop to come back?
I think it's K6, kind of one of the K stands. I think it's K8.
Okay, right.
But yeah, but we'll see what bus stop we end up at.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the King Statue is dead ahead.
Thanks, Leo.
You're welcome. Right. Yeah, if you look on the timetable, it say what bus stand we stop at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So.
Oh no, we didn't come tonight, didn't we?
So what?
We want to come back to.
Yeah, but what bus stand does it say? Let's have a look. It K5. It's K5. So it's K5 on the way back.
Where did you see that?
I saw it on the timetable. So I know the bus stands around here in Weymouth. Yeah, because K1, 2, 3 and 4 are kind of on the other side, so K5.
Yeah, K5.
Yeah, it's K5. So what time bus are you planning to catch?
Hope to catch the 3:30.
Not bad, at least you can time it right. My suggestion is getting there probably around 3-ish, so you'll have more time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm planning to get the bus at about 2:30,
Yeah.
so I'll probably get the bus before you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been nice meeting you.
Yeah.
I know.
I hope you have a nice day.
I know, thanks. Yeah.
It's a K5.
He's absolutely right. It says it.
Yeah.
Never saw those. We've learned something new, Chris.
I know.
Add to our fund of knowledge.
I know about buses in Dorset.
I tell you, if I had these buses round me, I'd be on them all the time.
Yeah, so would I. I think I should go
Now,
try and
number
go out.
21.
It doesn't really appear on my own.
Oh no.
And actually, it's difficult for Elaine because she gets ever so sick.
That was Weymouth Sea Life Centre.
Yeah, so wouldn't it be something that she could do?
Next stop,
Maybe she's been
Malcolm
tonight
Avenue.
on the bus.
Alight here for Weymouth College.
She was going in, and just having the bushes go past, we're on the top, just having the bushes go past, I knew that it would make it, she said, ooh, she was okay until that point. Because you've got to look ahead.
Yes.
And this was,
Yeah,
2
distracted.
minutes.
oh, she's getting some more.
Nice bowling green.
Yeah.
Tennis courts.
Yeah.
For tennis.
Gosh, look at the ivy on that. No, no. Devil's name. It's for sale.
Ukraine ribbon, isn't it?
Is that?
Ukraine.